Every night your brain switches into something like a deep clean mode. And this cleaning system is so important that if it stops working properly, your risk for memory problems, brain fog, Alzheimer's, all of that begins to rise quietly in the background. Most people have no idea it even exists, but you will. Today, let's talk about the Glymphatic system, your brain's personal cleaning service, and how to make sure it actually does its job. Your brain doesn't have a regular lymphatic system like the rest of your body. So the brain created this special system, the glymphatic system, built from glial cells. Think of it like a network of microscopic channels that open up and flush your brain with clean fluid. When the system is on, your brain gets literally washed, like water running through a dirty cup. It removes waste products, broken proteins, inflammation leftovers, metabolic trash, everything your brain produces while you're awake. And yes, this includes beta-amyloid and tau, the proteins linked to Alzheimer's and dementia. When the glymphatic system is strong, these proteins get cleared out. When it's weak, they start to accumulate. And this system works only when you sleep. Before we move forward, let me know in the comments what destroys your sleep the most: stress, screens, or late night food. The brain is smart. If the glymphatic system turned on during the day, you'd be useless. Why? Because when the cleaning system is active, your brain literally shrinks a little. The cells pull apart, so the fluid can wash through. Imagine trying to make decisions, answer messages, negotiate, drive, work, while your brain is like, sorry bro, I'm busy mopping floors. So the brain only runs this deep clean when you're asleep, especially in deep sleep stages. During deep sleep, your neurons slow down. Your metabolism drops, your brain cells pull apart, fluid flushes through, the cleaning crew starts the night shift. This is why deep sleep is not just rest, it's repair, it's maintenance, it's non-negotiable. If you skip deep sleep, no cleaning. If you go to bed at 3 AM every night, no cleaning. If your sleep is shallow, maybe 10–20% of what you need gets done. Now let's discuss how it's related to dementia. Your brain produces beta-amyloids every day. Every day. It's normal. Completely normal. The problem becomes when your brain can't take the trash out. Just like a kitchen. Cooking is normal, but leaving dirty dishes for 3 days is disaster. Deep sleep switches on the glymphatic system. The fluids flow through your brain tissue, grabs beta-amyloid, tau, oxidative waste, and flushes it out through special channels that go down into cervical lymph nodes. Now here's the spicy part. Studies show that glymphatic clearance drops dramatically with age, mostly because people lose deep sleep. Not because the system breaks, but because we ruin the conditions it needs. And when the clearance drops, beta-amyloid starts sticking together. The plaques form, then inflammation, then memory problems. So the secret weapon against Alzheimer's is not some miracle supplement. It's a strong nighttime cleaning system. Here's where people sabotage themselves. These things absolutely crush your glymphatic system. Going to bed extremely late kills deep sleep. Alcohol destroys your slow wave sleep, even just one glass. Chronic stress. High cortisol keeps your brain in fight mode, not cleaning mode. Sleep apnea. Low oxygen equals no deep cleaning. Sleeping hot. Deep sleep prefers a cooler environment. Blue light at night delays melatonin, shifts your deep sleep window. And yeah, sleeping 5–6 hours thinking you're fine is like washing your dishes for 40 seconds and hoping they're clean. Good luck with that. So, can you improve your sleep? Alright, here's the stuff that actually helps. First, go to bed earlier, not just sleep more. Deep sleep happens mostly in the first half of the night. Miss that window, miss the cleaning. Next, keep your room cool, around 18–20 degrees. Your brain sleeps better when it's not cooking. Avoid alcohol before sleep. You can drink sometimes, but never close to bedtime. Alcohol destroys deep sleeps like nothing else. Don't eat heavy meals late. Full stomach equal shallow sleep equal weak glymphatic work. Protect your light exposure. Bright mornings, strong melatonin rhythm. Dark evenings, deep sleep come easier. Regular exercise. Not crazy workouts, just movements. It boosts slow wave sleep. Nasal breathing, not mouth breathing. Better oxygen delivery, more stable deep sleep. And of course, manage stress. I have a full breakdown on this topic on my channel, by the way. If you'll fix this, the glymphatic system becomes a monster, a beast, a night cleaner that works for you every single day. Your brain is not a machine that can run forever. It needs a cleaning crew. It needs deep sleep. And it needs you to stop sabotaging the process. Fix your nights, and you protect your memory, your mood, your clarity, and your future self. If you like this video, right here you can check the other one. Take care of your brain and it will take care of you. See you in the next one.